Holy cow, that thing works good. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this 22-inch cordless Hedge trimmer. So you guys can see up here, so you press this button in here and you can rotate the handle. So if you're going at an angle, whatnot, you just press it in, turn with the other hand. So just like so, press it in, and you can actually leave it like that too by unpressing the button, so you can leave it at an angle. So if you're going, turning, this coming towards you. Yep, that looks like right. So what that does is when you're doing branches, you can actually use this orange piece to push the branches out of your way. Alright, we take our battery, we just simply pop it in place just like that. Make sure your fingers are not in the track at all. Just like that, and that's it. Oh, holy cow, that thing works good. Oh my goodness, guys, that is amazing.